What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the wipers on your Toyota Prius Prime. Let's get started. One thing I'd like to note is that on the Toyota Prius Prime you do not need to replace the entire wiper arm. You can simply replace the wiper inserts and save yourself a lot of money. On the wiper arm itself, there is a button that you need to press to remove the wipers. So after we press it, we just simply push out the wiper and the wiper is out. With the wiper arm out, we want to remove the wiper inserts, so we can just pull on it and they come right out. With the old wiper insert removed, I'm going to install the new one. Now, I will link these OEM wiper inserts in the description below. With the new wiper insert and the arm, there is a channel at the end of the arm that we'll have to stick this wiper insert into. So let's do that. Now we're done. We can reinstall this wiper blade. With the wiper insert installed, let's install this wiper arm. All you have to do is insert it and it should go back in. And just like that, we're done with this side, the driver's side. Moving on to the passenger side wiper blade. It's the same exact process. Press the button and slide it out. Then we're going to pull out the wiper insert. We're going to get the new wiper insert. And let's get the wiper arm and insert the wiper insert into this channel over here. Now, towards the end, you might notice that there's this part of it that's sticking out. To fix that, you could cut it, or you could still keep pushing this slightly, and it'll eventually be back to normal. Just like that, we can reinstall this. To reinstall this, it's the same process as before. And just like that, both wiper blades, passenger side and driver side, are changed. To make sure these wiper blades are functioning properly and we properly install them, let's turn on the car and then turn on the wiper blades. As you saw, the wiper blades worked perfectly. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.